Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Gadget Guru. Today, we're talking about a common issue many of us face: phone overheating. I'll share some tips on how to prevent it and what to do if it happens. Let's get started. First, let's understand why phones overheat. Common causes include excessive app usage, high ambient temperatures, and charging while using the phone. Overheating can lead to reduced performance and even damage your phone. Here are some tips to prevent overheating. Close unused apps to reduce processor load. Lower your screen brightness and avoid using your phone in direct sunlight. Also, take breaks to let your phone cool down. When charging, use official chargers and cables. Avoid using your phone while it's charging and unplug it once it's fully charged. This helps prevent heat buildup. If your phone does overheat, take immediate steps to cool it down. Remove the case to let heat dissipate. Turn off the phone and place it in a cool, shaded area. Avoid putting it in the fridge or freezer, as sudden temperature changes can cause damage. For long-term solutions, regularly clear your phone's cache and update software to ensure optimal performance. If overheating persists, consider getting your battery checked by a professional. That's it for today's tips on preventing and dealing with phone overheating. Remember, taking these steps can keep your phone running smoothly and safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gadget Guru, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Stay cool, and see you next time.